I'm sure you've heard this phrase, content is a king. But there is another interesting phrase, community is an emperor. One of the main things that will help you quickly grow on social media is community. So how do you build that? By communicating with people as much as you possibly can. How do you start doing it? First rule, every single person who decides to follow you should also get a message from you. Notice that when your account starts grow, you can get hundreds or even thousands of followers per day. Now, this might not be easiest task, and you definitely want to keep it as unique, as specific to that individual as possible. That being said, you can still make a template. Design it so you just plug in their name. You can really write your text so it says anything, but I'd say to not forget these two things. First of all, thank them for following. It seems small, but it's really the whole point. You should be reaching out. That's how you develop the sense of community. Second, introduce yourself and your business. So the second rule is go to the page of your followers, leave comments under their posts. You can add something from a template or just do something specific as well. Third rule is watch out for people spending time on your posts and leaving a lot of comments. Be sure to thank them for that as well. So what's the quickest way to do all of this? Make shortcuts on your phone, and I'll show you how you can do it on iPhone. Let's jump right in. So, settings, general, keyboard, and text replacement. And here you can create any of those shortcuts you'll need. You can create them for a welcome message, hashtags for posts, text for comments, and tons more. It will help you save time and become more effective. That's all for now, but be sure to hit that like button, leave us a comment and ring that notification bell. And of course, subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot more to come. Stay tuned, keep safe, see you next time.
Hey guys, if you like that video, you might like this video right here, or this video right here. Check them out.